Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dugas Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 15th of September 2023. The day is Friday, and I'm your host here. I welcome you to this Dugas Copy Webinar YouTube channel. Friends, I am a Dugas Copies trading community member. Those who do not me, let me introduce myself. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dugas Copy. I am not their employee. Therefore, all the views or trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this live stream are of my own, and we'll be strictly discussing the price action in this webinar. Essentially, we'll be just checking the key levels of importance for all the instruments that we see, and we will analyze them, how we can use them in our trading, and also we will deduce some more key levels for the next week. If you have any questions about what I am saying, please let me know in the chat box that is provided, or if you have any other questions other than this webinar which is related to forex trading, you can ask me in the chat. It should not be fundamental in nature because I have no knowledge about fundamentals. I only know about how to read charts, because I know that every piece of information is already priced in, so I do not care about the fundamentals. At the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from the viewers. So please ask the questions and do not go home without clearing your doubts. Before I start, I must tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for information or knowledge purpose. Please do your research before you start trading live, and my video or webinars should not be seen as a trading advice. They are not the trading advices. So let me take you through this risk disclaimer and then we go to the charts. All right, friends, on your screen right now is the dollar index. This is the daily chart of the dollar index. Since we are only concerned about the key levels, I must tell you that yesterday we had breached higher than 105.10. That was a crucial level, but failed to close higher than that. And today this is just an inside bar. It has not breached the high of yesterday, and it has not even breached the low of yesterday. So we still have the resistance, which is around 105.10, and the support is around 102.84 for the dollar. In the long run, the US dollar index is going in an uptrend. Euro, which is in a downtrend, is also facing some resistance around 1.0686. We have discussed this yesterday, that this area may be providing resistance to the price when it comes to the top side. And on the downside, we have support around 1.0635. Today is Friday, so don't expect any break of either of these numbers. GBP USD is very convincingly going down. 1.2368 is the next target for us, and below that I think it will open the way for 1.2307, which I am expecting to break very soon. So let us see how the things unfold. But right now pound is in a downtrend, and expect the pound to go below 1.2307 very soon, looking at this price action. On the higher side, if the price starts going higher, then 1.2433 area here could be seen as an area of resistance in the pound for the coming time. Australian dollar also is falling finally and has come today below 0.6448 level, which was a crucial area of resistance for us, and we were expecting the price to go back to this area and find some support, but that is not happening. So maybe the price is headed towards 0.6356. As of now, there is no hope of buying this market at current levels, looking at this Marubozu on the daily. If you switch to the 4 hour, you will see that just from the beginning of the day, this market has been falling. USD JPY has finally reached and breached the area of resistance, which was around this high of 147.87. Today the price has made an intraday high of 147.95, paving the way for this high. So now we have the ultimate target objective 148.84 on the charts. So very soon expect that level to be reached. Now the next level of resistance is 148.84 if the candle closes higher than 147.87 today. On the contrary, if the price starts going lower, then I think now this is the valid low that we should keep an eye on, that is 145.90. If that breaks, it will be a double top breakdown for the USD JPY. USD CAD. We were expecting support in this area and we were expecting that support to make a high, which has been made already. Now if the price makes a higher high than this, then it will be a valid up move, and in that case I'll be expecting I think 1.3669 in this market. On the contrary, if you find that this price has broken below this level of 1.3488, then it will be a head and shoulder breakdown. Like if the price comes like this and then breaks, then it will be a head and shoulder breakdown. So in that case I'll be looking for selling this market like this. I hope you understand that point. And in that case the lower target, first lower target, will be 1.3372 in this market. USD CHF slowly and steadily going up, very nice up move. 0.9016 is the first level of resistance. Now the level of support for the USD CHF is still at around 0.8894. This high volume at yesterday's candle is suggesting that up move is possible here, but we will see what happens at 0.9016. If there is a rally from that also, then it will be good. If no, then price may return back to all this low value of 0.8552. Silver, yesterday we have witnessed that the price was trying to go higher. The price was trying to go higher after this bullish pin bar. I told you yesterday also that looking at this bullish pin bar at the lows, I am expecting the prices to go towards 23.90 to 23.78 area. So expect that up move for some days, and then there is a possibility that this level will start acting as resistance. But right now 22.21 area is a good support for the price. See, similar is the case for the gold. I told you I think about this area, that when the price reaches this area it will find a good support, and the support has been found. Breach of 1930 will open the way for 1948, and that breach of that will open the way for not actually 1948. Now the actual level of resistance is somewhere here like 1952, and breach of 1952 will open the way for 1972 in the coming days. Guys, gold, I told you that if it goes below this, then it will be an area of buying, but there was only one wick which was bought, and it was bought with a huge volume. So this is the result of that. It has reached the resistance of 1930.30, and the previous high was around 1930.55. So it has not gone higher than this high, so expect some down move again. I think there will be some pullback before the next leg up, so expect some pullback like this, and then expect the price to breach 1930 area. Brent, we are looking for 96.92 as the first target and 99.53 as the second target. The bias in Brent crude oil is bullish, but today's candle is an inside bar, so you can say that the price is trying to uh, absorb the steam that has taken the price to these levels. So it is just a consolidation before the next leg up. This is what I'm thinking. On the downside, we have support around 89.87 area. Bitcoin, finally a break higher, and now it's I think retest, but still the price is stuck between 28,106 and 24,766 level. These are the level of resistance and support in the coming time. Expect some resistance to be given by this falling channel also. Ethereum is also moving on the similar lines of the Bitcoin, expect some resistance at this falling channel's resistance line. Thereafter, the next resistance will be 1742, which is the horizontal level of resistance. Support is still at 1529. There is no change in that. Euro New Zealand, well, we have seen finally a move up from here. I think I have drawn this channel for a long time, and I told you that whenever the price comes to this channel, it will be a buy, and I'm actually expecting the price to reach this area to give me a buying opportunity. Right now the price is trading at a resistance of 1.8081. This resistance cannot be broken in one go, so expect price to move lower again, and then eventually it can break out. But anyways, now the price is at resistance. Next resistance is 1.8147, and further next resistance may be provided by this falling channel and later on 1.8461. Euro against the Australian dollar. Yesterday it gave a very good low, but today it has come up. So maybe this is a pullback before the next leg down, because we have a very clean close yesterday below the levels of crucial supports. So this euro rising here may be a next or another opportunity for us to go short. So let's see what will happen when the price reaches this area. Okay. Australian dollar against New Zealand is going good. First target is taken. Second target 1.0923 is on the charts now. Expect that to be broken soon for the target of 1.1052. On the downside now, expect 1.0896 to act as a support. If that doesn't, then 1.0832 is a valid support for this market. GBP AUD, we are sellers in this one now, and we are expecting lower prices. And when I say lower prices, actually we are expecting 1.8850, which may be seen in this month of September only. If the price keeps rising from here, 1.9367 is the area which should be seen as a selling opportunity. USD index finally yesterday got up and went right into the zone of resistance. I told you that this is going to be a very crucial zone of resistance, and you see what happened. The price entered that range and boom. So yes, there is a possibility that this channel or this ascending triangle that we are trying to make here may break very soon. Keep an eye on this triangle. I am expecting it to break to the downside. Let's see how the things unfold. Now resistance for this one is 35095, 35096, and support is around 34024. Cat CHF breakout is clear. A retest of this area should be done, and thereafter we can target 0.6730 in this market. This market is going really nice now. After a break from here, it should be going towards 0.6730. Let's see how the things unfold. But you see that the RSI is already overbought, so expect this to keep rising towards 0.6730 area. GBP CAD, yesterday we had made it out that a clean close below will open the way to 1.6690, and it has opened the way for 1.6690. Expect this to continue next week also. Now resistance is 1.6854, support is 1.6690, next support is 1.6605. USA Tech on the similar lines of the Dow has started falling. Any close or break below 15,138 will open a way for a greater down move towards 40,730. Or DJPY, I am bullish on this one. I told you yesterday also that I am bullish. Yesterday there was a clean break. Now it is coming to retest that 95.06 area. It's trading right now at that crucial support area, but expect the price to fall further, maybe to this area, to give us another opportunity to go long in this market in the coming time. Euro GBP, a very good move again to the level of resistance, but here it has shown us that the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So expect this high to be broken very soon with the target of 0.8668 in your mind, and on the lower side expect some support around this high, this low that the price has just made. So 0.8557 on the lower side is the support, 0.8630 on the high side is the resistance. The next target is 0.8668. Last pair is the GBP JPY, my friends. This is consolidating before next leg up. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the chat box that is provided. For GBP JPY, 186.76 is the resistance, 176.30 is the support. So that's all guys about the support and resistance levels that may be of interest in the coming hours and weeks. That means the next week. This is Friday. Don't expect much move today, but expect some move on Monday and Tuesday next week. Then we can use these levels to our advantage. Just remember that only try to open any trade in the direction of the trend that is there on the daily. When I say trend on the daily, that means that you have to identify the market structure that is there on the daily and then act accordingly. If you see that the daily market structure is in a buy mode, but on the 4 hour you see that there is a counter to market structure, or you can say it has entered a sell mode, then you have to wait for the right time. That means when the 4 hour becomes a buy market structure without breaking the daily market structure. So 4 hour market structure, when it gets aligned with the daily market structure, that is then is the time to press the trigger, and then is the time to press the thing. Zoomy, thanks, have a nice weekend. Hey Zoomy, thank you so much for joining here. Welcome to the live stream once again, and I hope you have enjoyed this. If you have, then please press that like button, and if you're new, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for your time. See you tomorrow guys. Bye bye. Not tomorrow, but on Monday 1700. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care. And yes, have a nice weekend.